This is how to reset your service light on your Mercedes SLK. This is a 2015 model, but it should do all the ones between 2011 and 2015. So we're going to be using, to begin with, the call button, and we're going to be using the navigation buttons. Okay, so we're going to turn the ignition to position 1, which is the airbag light coming on. The dials do their things, but you're not turning the ignition on. Then we're going to press the call and the OK button one after the other fairly quickly, and then hold. So call and OK, and that takes us into the sub menu, and we're going to go using the up and down. We're going to use the down to go to Assist Plus, press OK, down to full service, OK. Then we're going to scroll through all this lot, confirm service, OK. And then oil grade, we've used the top one. Service carried out, yes. Cannot be undone, confirm. Followed by OK. Service completed. Then we're just going to cycle the ignition. Start up. No warning. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.